What if the sun exploded tomorrow? It's a question that sounds like pure science fiction. But the truth is even more terrifying than you might think. The sun is 93 million miles away, but it's the heartbeat of our planet. Without it, life wouldn't exist. So, what would actually happen if the sun suddenly went supernova tomorrow morning? First, you wouldn't see it right away. Light takes 8 minutes to reach Earth, meaning we'd have just 480 seconds of normal life left. Then daylight would vanish instantly. The sky would go black, stars would dominate, and Earth would fall into complete darkness. Plants would die within weeks. Oceans would start to freeze from the surface down. Temperatures would plummet below -100 degrees. But the blast itself? That's the worst part. The explosion would send a shock wave tearing through the solar system. Mercury and Venus would be vaporized instantly. Earth wouldn't stand a chance. But here's the creepy part. The sun isn't even big enough to explode as a supernova. Instead, it will become a red giant in about 5 billion years, swallowing Mercury, Venus, and maybe Earth. So technically, the explosion tomorrow scenario? Impossible. But if our sun were a giant star like Betelgeuse, that's when things get really scary. Imagine it. One moment, you're scrolling on your phone. The next, the skies go dark forever. Humanity wouldn't even have time to react. Our fate would be sealed in minutes. So yes, the sun exploding tomorrow is science fiction. But here's a scarier question. What if Earth suddenly stops spinning? Right now? That story might keep you up tonight.